of window tinting does take a unique process, from prepping the car to cleaning the windows to making sure that all of the cuts are precisely cut. Not only that, but also shaping the window and molding it to its perfect size of the window. The process does take around 2.5 hours, most likely even less. We just like to keep a good time frame for our customers to stay comfortable in our lobby while they wait, or leaving the car with us while we do the installation process on their vehicle. We do have a new state-of-the-art technology that provides us with computer cut so that every single cut is precise and very clean. Not only that, but our installers do have over 20 years of experience with learning how to hand cut to now computer cutting. It does make it a lot more time efficient, a lot more precise, and a lot more accurate when it comes to shaping it towards the form of the window. Let us show you why we are a quality installation company that you can trust. And remember to look cool and stay cool.